Hey everyone, for today's project you will need some air dry clay, some sculpting tools and brushes, and a wooden box. I normally get my boxes at a craft store and they're really cheap. They cost like €1, and I'll be using just the top part of the box, so I just unscrew all the screws. I would suggest using some plastic wrap to put under the clay just to prevent the clay from sticking to the table. Also, you could use a clay roller, but I don't have one, so I'm just using a ruler to kind of press down the clay to get like a nice even thickness. Because my frame is small, I decided just to do 3 little houses, but if your frame is bigger, you could do a whole row of little houses and I think it would look really cute. The easiest way to have the doors and the windows to be the same size is just to make like a little stamp out of wood, and I just had like some spare woody thing on the side, so I just used that and it was the perfect size for me. I let my houses dry overnight, and in the meantime I just patched up the holes on the frame. I used wood filler and I also used some diluted wood filler to coat the whole frame just to give it a more uniform look. After the houses were dry, I just sanded them a bit and then I coated them with some diluted gesso. For the background, you could just directly paint inside the frame, but I preferred the look of watercolor on paper. I painted my houses, but as an option, you could just leave them unpainted, and I think they still look cute. I ran out of the little hangers to attach to the back of the frame, so I just wanted to show you how it looks like, so you can attach it to the back of the frame and hang it on the wall, and I think it would look really nice. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was really fun to make, and I will see you in the next video.